got this one and I got the other one. This is the most difficult delivery that I've had until now with this company. And today this run is very difficult. It's nowhere to park. All the time nowhere to park. Nowhere to park me. Every time I just have to struggle to find somewhere to park the lorry. And this lorry is quite bigger than the one that I drove 2 weeks ago. Okay. Flat surface, I'm okay. So now is this roundabout. Is this town here? It cannot go anywhere. And the funny thing is, come on, you go in. The funny thing is I have to drive this now. I have to go to that shop. And the pallet is very heavy. Yeah. I'm gonna grab the other pallet as well.
Yeah, if you drop it just there, so
Yeah.
it's not in the way. Thank you. I'll get it unloaded.
No problem. It's just,
That was good. You covered it as well.
yeah, it's just,
Can you just, because it's blocking
yeah, no problem.
Just do it there.
It's just the place itself, because it's very old, so that's the way they designed it that time. So is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Thank you.
Actually been around 4 years.
Right.
Yeah, because it's a flat thing. Is it a traffic? I thought it was a traffic thing.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. They did pop in and see us when we were downtown.
Ah, that's
Oh, they've put everything everywhere, haven't they?
Yeah, you see,
They don't pack
The way-
very well, do they?
yeah, the way they secure the pallets actually is nothing to do with me,
Yeah, no, I know. It's
but
not,
I do apologize,
it's
because
not your fault. Yeah. It's a
this
bit
is
ridiculous, though.
this is what can I do, apologize and help you out.
It's not your fault.
Yeah.
But you might want to give them packing
Yeah.
lessons.
Well, if you don't like something from here and you think it's damaged, I can take it back, no problem. It's just because you might sell it in Christmas time,
Yeah.
and if you return you might not have the product, that's why. So anywhere on here is okay?
If you put on that side.
On this side, yeah?
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Perfect, eh?
Thank you very much.
Mm. So this. Yeah. If you got like a bag or something, and we can put it in the bag or a basket or something.
Just baskets,
Yeah.
if there's anything loose yet. Thank you, you're
problem.
really helpful, I appreciate that.
Thank you. As long as you're happy, I'm happy.
No, you're very helpful, thank you.
Yeah, I don't know. In
That's it, just the stairs,
yeah,
fine.
thank you. That's the last two bits. Everything is happy. Okay,
Alright, take care, thank you.
all done for you. Okay, so the job has been done. Now to put them back in the vehicle. Yeah, so we done the job. We returned the pallets in the vehicle. I've got that pallet and then that one, and then going home.